Fronyo Vasquez.
Close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting for me, that I call mine. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if they call me crazy. Run away to the world we desire. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. For the world we're gonna make.
Wow! Para naman na-transport kami sa iyong championship moment. A million dreams have definitely come true para sa kanya. Mga kapamilya, let's welcome the world-class talent na pinagmamalaki ng bawat Pilipino. The first Asian and Filipino champion of The Voice USA, Sofranio Vasquez! Sofranio, please make your way to the VIP table as we kick off this event. And as you can see, Sofranio is being warmly welcomed by our dear bosses, whom I am going to be introducing later on. But really, everyone is very, very happy and proud of our very own Sofranio Vasquez, the one and only Filipino phenom. And now he's receiving a very beautiful lei from Sir Ryan Santiago. Thank you very much. Mga kapamilya, I'm your host, Ai de la Cruz, and this is the contract signing for our Kapamilya Dream Come True, Sofranio Vasquez. And it's extra special dahil malapit sa kanyang puso ang lugar na ito, the studio of Tawag ng Tanghalan, and it's showtime! Yes, we are coming to you live on the official YouTube and Facebook accounts of Star Magic, ABS-CBN Entertainment, and of course, hindi mawawala ang It's Showtime. Kasama ang madlang people sa ating celebration! Sofronio and hashtag #StarMagic. And our winning voice is right here with our VIP. So bago po ang lahat, I would like to acknowledge our dear ABS-CBN bosses na nandito para kay Sofronio. First up, we have a business unit head and the head of Polaris Management, Mr. Riley Santiago. We also have the head of Star Magic and Entertainment Production, Mr. Laurenti Jogi. And our Chief Operating Officer, Miss Cory Vitanes. At hindi lang yan, our friends from the press are also here in the studio to witness this special occasion. Hello sa ating friends from the media. Hello everyone, thank you so much for being here. Silang ating madlang people sa studio for today. Pero damang-dama talaga natin ang mga emosyon kanina ni Sofronio with his heartfelt performance. So, hello? Okay ka naman? Kamusta ka na dyan? Ito, nakakausapin na kita. May tanong lang ako sa iyo as we welcome you back here. So, after everything you've achieved abroad, at pagbalik mo dito sa Pilipinas ngayon, syempre lahat kami honored, no? Pero gusto natin talaga marinig mula sa iyo. Why did you choose to come home to ABS-CBN and Star Magic?
ito lang yung kinakatakutan. I'm just super blessed to be given this opportunity. I always say this sa lahat ng interviews ko. It has been my dream to just be recognized. And now, given the recognition na I am sitting with the VIPs, the bosses of ABS-CBN, and kanina nga sa rehearsals, sabi ko parang pwede naman sanang sa cafeteria na lang kami magpirmahan. Kaya, sobra po ako talagang nagagalak sa pagmamahal at pag-welcome sa akin kasi this has been the dream of everyone. And most of the dreamers out there are, kumbaga nawawalan sila ng pag-asa na will there be a chance for them. I just kept going, and the dream itself really fought for me, and with the music that's in my heart, and it is my passion really. Now coming back to my first stage na kumbaga nagbigay sa akin ng si Sofronio yan eh. I am just thankful sa lahat po na nag-prepare ngayon na nakabalik ako dito, and now I am back, and then they welcome me as part of the family now. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po, at hindi ko po sasayangin yung pagkakataon. Thank you po, thank you. Oh my God.
Nagpapaiyak naman agad si Sofronio. Pero totoo yun, no? Talagang kitang-kita natin sa pagsagot pa lang ni Sofronio how humble he remained even after achieving so much. Grabe yung nagawa mo. First ever Filipino and first ever Asian to win The Voice USA. So again, congratulations. Pero ito na ngayon, Sofronio, mula sa tawag ng tanghalan, ito na ang tahanan talaga ni Sofronio. So, let us seal the deal with the management. It is time to sign the contract for this beautiful partnership. And there we can see Sofronio together with our ABS-CBN bosses, Mr. Laurenti Jogi, Ms. Cory Vidanes, Sir Riley Santiago. They are sealing the deal. They are signing the contract of our Kapamilya dream come true, Sofronio Vasquez. From being the king of auditions and singing competitions, including our very own Tawag ng Tanghalan on It's Showtime, Sofronio finally made it as the winner of The Voice USA Season 26. And with this contract, we definitely have a lot of exciting projects to look forward to. And we have made it official! Congratulations on your new contract, Sofronio Vasquez! And to make it an even warmer welcome, may mensahe para kay Sofronio ang ating ABS-CBN So let's hear from our tatay, the head of Star Magic and Entertainment Production, Mr. Laurenti Johnny. Direct Lauren, go ahead.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, Sof. Alam ko, importante itong araw sa iyo, pero importante araw ito sa amin. Very appropriate itong lugar kung nasan tayo ngayon. We normally don't hold it here, but we felt, as recommended by the team, this is a very important home for you. This is a very important studio para sa iyo. Kaya ito natin ginaganap itong importanteng event na ito. I'd like you to know na sobrang importante yung pagkapanalo mo. Yung pagiging recognized mo bilang unang Asyano at bilang unang Pilipino sa entablado sa Amerika. Tulad ng kanta mo kanina, hindi lang pangarap mo yun, pangarap yun ng milyon-milyon Pilipino. Na makita na isa nilang kababayan ay magtaguyod at magtayo ang bandera ng lahat na nangangarap na mag-awit, lahat na nangangarap na Pilipino. Mahusay ang Pilipino at pinatunayan niyo sa front. And every time you sing on stage, siyempre, mahanga sila sa galing ng boses mo. But more than that, yung boses mo, iba na yung meaning ng boses mo. Diba? Kumapal na siya dahil sa lahat ng hirap na dinanan mo, na yung pala ay importante para lalo mapatibay ang pagkatao mo at para maging mas matamis ang tagumpay na matatanggap mo. And as I said, it was not only your dream, it was the dream of every Filipino artist to prove to the world continuously na mahusay ang mga awit na Pilipino. At maraming salamat dahil ikaw ang bagong simbolo ng mga pangarap na yun. And I know in our hearts na nakita rin namin, umuwi ka dito, pwede ka naman nanatiling doon, but you opted also to be coming here, to be sharing your victory, to be celebrating with your countrymen, mga kababayan natin dito, at patuloy na pinapakita sa lahat na kung nagawa ko, kaya rin. Kaya nyo rin yan. And thank you, thank you, thank you. You may not feel it right now, but you will change a lot of lives with that achievement that you did. And thank you for not giving up. And thank you for continuously fighting not only for your dream for your family, your dream for the nation, and also pati ng ABS-CBN. Kasi gusto naman talaga namin na patunayan na magaling talaga ang husay ng isang Pinoy artist. So again, maraming salamat. And on behalf of ABS-CBN, we welcome you officially to Star Magic and to ABS-CBN. Congratulations and welcome home.
Oh, welcome home. Thank you very much for that heartfelt message, Direk Lauren. Mas naramdaman namin kung gaano kahalaga, kung gaano kalaki yung tagumpay ni Sofronio na hindi lang para sa kanya, kundi para sa milyong-milyong mga Pilipinong nangangarap. And now we also have a message from our business unit head and the head of Polaris Management, Sir Riley Santiago.
Hello. Hi, Sof. The last few months may seem like a whirlwind of success. Pero doon sa mga nakakakilala kay Sof, matagal na journey ang tinahak niya. No? Because we know you deserve all the love that you are receiving. So that's why we're celebrating this event for you. We knew for many years sa TNT and it's showtime, we knew you had the skills, the heart, the mindset, and then it's just a matter of time na ma-recognize ng buong mundo yung talento mo. So, you are a proof that we do here, what we do here every day is looking for raw Filipino talent and lifting it up. Will always pay off. Because now, because of you, we can remind everyone that the Filipino voice is world-class and worthy of being heard. You really make us proud, Sof. Thank you for upholding Filipino excellence and talent. With this partnership, we will help you keep winning and living your dream. Welcome to Star Magic.
World class indeed. Thank you very much, Sir Rai Santiago, for your message for our dear Sofronio. Pero alam mo, Sof, kung ngayon pa lang parang na-overwhelm ka na, hindi dyan nagtatapos ang mga well wishes para sa'yo. Para sa bawat kapamilya at sa madlang people, Sofronio has truly become an inspiration sa lahat ng mga nangangarap at nabibigo, pero nagpapatuloy pa rin patungo sa tagumpay. So, we prepared something special for you, Sof. Let's all watch this.
It all started with a dream. A small voice from Misamis Occidental dreamed of being heard around the world.
Halos lahat ng mga reality shows ng ABS-CBN, tinilaan ko.
But the road to success was not an easy one.
Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang rejections na ang nakuha ko.
And every contest, no matter the competition, he bared his soul and sang his heart out. With dedication, perseverance, and sheer talent, his dreams began to unfold on the nationwide stage.
Every time nag-audition ako sa mga competitions, tawag ng tangalan po yung munang pumansin sa akin. Ito yung pangarap ko eh. na naging champion sila, sana maging champion din ako.
But when victory remained elusive, he took his talents behind the scenes as a vocal coach, helping fellow singers to find their voices. As life led him to faraway places, fueled by the power of his dream, he became the first Asian and Filipino champion of The Voice USA. From humble beginnings to international recognition, the voice of Sofronio Vasquez is a gift to every Filipino and the whole world.
What I like about Sofronio is that he is a fighter. He's gonna do everything to achieve his dreams.
He's so kind and very respectful and trustworthy, of course, and very straightforward na tao namin.
Napaka-disiplinado. Kaya yun yung nilook up ko sa kanya. And when it comes naman sa trabaho, talagang lagi siyang dumarating na prepared. Alam niya yung gagawin niya at kung hindi man sobrang matanong na bata.
My most favorite thing about Tia Sofronio is that he never fails to see potential sa mga taong nakasama niya and he always encourages people.
And napaka-generous niya sa lahat ng mga ideas when it comes sa musicality. Kaya, salute po.
Ang masasabi ko lang kay Sofronio, he is humble and kind. Yun po talaga yung description ko sa kanya. Talagang hindi talaga nagbago yun.
I'm so happy and very proud sa lahat ng achievement niya. Lalo na sa pagkapanalo niya sa The Voice. Ang dami niyang sinacrifice, ang dami niyang trabaho, hanggang sa makamit na ito.
Yung wish ko para kay Sofronio is maging successful sa career niya. Matupad niya yung pangarap niya para sa mama niya at saka sa buong pamilya.
Congrats off on this new milestone. Super sulit yung walang humpay mong pag-audition sa mga singing contest. We are all very proud of you.
Your big contract signing, Kapamilya, congratulations, and I'm sure that you have wonderful, wonderful projects that inspire all the Filipinos and of course the entire world.
Deserve mo yan na mabigyan ka talaga ng spotlight. This time na mas maipakita mo pa yung talent mo, proud na proud kami sa'yo.
Isa ako sa talagang masayang-masaya dito sa iyong journey. Good luck and enjoy the journey. God bless you.
I think isa ako sa dulo talaga. Sobrang proud sa'yo. Alam mo yan. And now that you have a management company that represents you here in the Philippines, so happy for you. And the Lord bless you always.
Congratulations and welcome to your Star Magic family. I'm sure you guys will be coming up with beautiful music and that will be so exciting for the whole industry. So I wish you all the best. good luck and can't wait to hear what you guys come up with.
I am very happy na ngayon nagkakatotoo na yung mga pinag-uusapan natin. Masaya ako na Star Magic ang mag-handle sa'yo. Alam ko kung gaano kanila mapapangalagaan. You have been working for this moment. You have been sharing your talent to the whole world at dun pa lang sapat na nababless kayo ng bongga-bongga. Kaya congratulations, we love you.
Wish ko sa kanya, sana matupad niya lahat ang gusto niya na mangyari sa buhay niya. Congrats lang, sana gabayan ka sa Panginoong Diyos sa lahat na gawin mo. I'm proud of you, love. I love you.
And now, in his new chapter as a Kapamilya artist in the Philippines, the dream continues to burn brighter than ever. Inspiring Filipinos with his own journey, Sofronio is ready to make more dreams come true. We proudly welcome you home, the Filipino Phenom, a Kapamilya dream come true, Sofronio Vasquez.
At hindi na nga talaga napigilan ni Sofronio na maiyak doon sa video na yun na punong-puno ng messages. Ilan lang yun sa mga nagmamahal sa'yo, Sofronio. Pero sa totoo lang, napakarami, of course, na naniniwala sa'yo. Buong bansa ay proud na proud sa'yo. So, lalo na dun sa mga nandun para sa'yo, from the very start, you have a message for them. So, mula sa mga kapamilya at kaibigan mo, di ba, na mula sa TNT pa, sa It's Showtime family, The Voice USA, and of course, our management. What do you want to say to the people who believe in you?
Gusto ko lang po ulit magpasalamat sa Star Magic. Sarap sabihin na Star Magic. Sobrang ganda po ng experience ko today at this very moment. Pero mas maganda po yung naging experience ko looking back. Kasi lahat pala rin yun ay kasama pala sa magiging chapter na mangyayari ngayon. And I'm just very, very blessed na yung mga tao na nagmamahal sa akin, sinasabi nila na willing ako mag-sacrifice. But may mga tao din na willing mag-sacrifice just to help me achieve my dreams. Maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Cory, kay Sir Derek Loren, kay Sir Riley. Sobrang hindi ko alam kung paano po ako magpapasalamat. Gusto ko lang po talagang i-take yung chance na i-share sa buong mundo na huwag po kayo talagang tumigil sa thrive doon sa pangarap niyo, kasi ibibigay sa inyo sa hindi oras na gusto natin, but oras niya. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Showtime family, sa lahat po ng nagsalita, sa mga family ko here and sa family ko rin sa abroad, and of course sa aking coach Michael Bublé. Always talaga ako yung emotional pag siya yung pinag-uusapan, kasi he also made a very big impact dun sa paniniwala, dun sa fact na yung Filipino can be very, very global and international. So thank you coach, sa lahat ng family ko sa The Voice dun sa Amerika. I am back home. I will continue to bring and share kung ano yung napag-aralan ko doon. I-share ko dito, at ano yung makikita nila dito ay for sure makakarating din sa US. Thank you po sa inyo.
Sasubtitlean na lang natin yon para sa mga taga The Voice USA. Oh. Pero soft, nabanggit mo na nga, no? Lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, part din talaga yun ng journey mo, at it made this experience even sweeter. Kaya naman baka pwede na natin i-announce ngayon na meron kang gagawing very special tungkol sa iyong life dito sa ABS-CBN. Ay, parang hindi rin pala alam ni Sofronio. So ako na lang po ako mag-a-announce. Mga kapamilya, isang surprise ito para kay Sofronio din pala. So, meron po tayong niluluto na life story special ni Sofronio Vasquez. I'm sure that will be very, very inspiring. So, Sof, nabalitaan mo na ba ito? Anong feelings mo dito na gagawa ng life story special
excited ako talaga. Actually, hindi ko expect na pwede pala siyang sabihin. Pero more than the real life story, sobra akong na-excite kasi kung ano yung mapapakita nila ng buong ABS-CBN. I am just so excited na tingnan mo, dati napapanood ko lang sa TV, ngayon sarili ko ng story. So, thank you.
Excited din tayo mapanood yan. Of course, lalo na kung ABS-CBN ang gagawa. Nako, hindi lang enough yung isang tissue na yan na isang set ng tissue dyan. Pero bukod dyan, of course, you also have shows. Your upcoming shows, Sofronio, saan ka ba mapapanood all over the world?
I am excited to share that I have few shows in the Philippines and then abroad. So I hope that you guys are always checking my Facebook page kasi na-post po yung poster. I don't know if meron tayong copy, but I have upcoming shows talaga. So Sacramento, San Leandro, Dubai, meron akong Australia, meron din akong Canada. And hopefully meron din yung TFC and Star Magic will produce series of concerts, US concerts. Ayun. Tsaka Philippines pala. Ayun. Nako. Ayan, thank you. Ayun, maraming salamat. I have New York. Nakapost naman lahat yan sa social media ko. So, yeah. I'm so excited.
Marami tayong maabangan kay Sofronio Vasquez. And now, to cap off this special occasion, let's take some photos. So, Sofronio, our dear bosses, kindly proceed to the stage for our photos, which will be taken by our friends from Nice Print Photography. And of course, the warm hugs, the embraces are continuing on with Soft and our dear bosses na talagang proud kay Sofronio sa kanyang achievement, not just for himself, but as Direk Lauren mentioned earlier, ito talaga ay tagumpay para sa lahat ng mga Pilipinong hindi tumitigil na mangarap. Now we look forward to his upcoming concerts in the US, a world tour, and a solo concert, syempre, dito sa Pilipinas. And again, as we mentioned, watch out for his life story special here on ABS-CBN. Please show your support for Sofronio with our hashtag Kapamilya Dream Come True Sofronio. At isa pang hashtag natin, ito rin proud na proud si Sofronio dito. Hashtag Tatak Star Magic. Maraming salamat po. We'd like to thank our bosses for being with us. Thank you very much. We know how busy you are. Thank you so much for making time for this momentous occasion with our very own Sofronio Vasquez. Maraming salamat po. And now that our photos with Soft and our bosses are done, we will also have a photo up with Sofronio himself, just there sa center ng stage for his solo shots later on. But while we wait, we'd really like to say thank you to our following sponsors for making Sofronio's big day even better. So thank you very much to Buga Milk Tea, Mama Annie's Empanada at iba pa, home of the best classic empanadas. Cha-Cha-Cha Cafe, same-day coffee where every sip starts today. And Nice Print Photography. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga kapamilya at madlang people watching us live right now. Huwag po kayong maalis. Please keep on tweeting, posting, commenting, and sharing our live streams dahil may Q&A pa tayo with Sofronio and the press, our friends from the media, in just a few moments. At yan po ay mapapanood nyo rin po dito, kaya huwag po kayong maalis. Live na live pa rin po tayo sa YouTube and Facebook of Star Magic, ABS-CBN Entertainment, and it's showtime. So make sure you're following those official accounts for more updates about Sofronio and your favorite Kapamilya artists. And let's keep the contract signing trending online with our official hashtags, hashtag Kapamilya Dream Come True Sofronio, and Star Magic. And it also feels right na kasabay ng pag-commemorate natin sa People Power Today, pinagdiriwang din natin ang Pinoy Pride with Sofronio. Now, as we celebrate Sofronio's homecoming dito sa Showtime and TNT stage, we also look forward to how his journey will unfold. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa world stage. He's got so many exciting things in store for us, so watch out for the Sofronio Vasquez Tour in North America, Canada, Dubai, and Australia. Siyempre may dapat, meron din tayong show dito sa Pilipinas, so abangan niyo po yan. Now, for someone with so much heart and talent, there are so many possibilities. Kaya mga kapamilya, lagi po tayong sumuporta sa anumang handa ni Sofronio para sa atin. And now, at this point, I'd like to welcome our friends from the media once again! Welcome to the MediaCon for our Filipino phenom, Sofronio Vasquez! Sof, good morning, ngayon lang tayo kita. Hello! Congratulations! Nakakahinga ka na ngayon.
Oh, grabe.
Yes. Grabe, parang sobrang emotional talaga ang araw na to. Hindi lang para sa'yo, kahit yung mga bosses natin kanina, emotional na sila.
Kaya binubulungan nga ako ni Greg Loren namin. Iyak ako.
Pero grabe, no? What an experience. Kanina nga, before tayo nag-start, hinihintay ka talaga namin umalis kasi yung surprise na VTR baka makita mo.
Grabe, yun. Grabe talaga. Hindi ko alam. Yun lang masasabi ko, grabe. Thank you sa lahat po na nag-prepare, sa lahat ng team. And of course, sa ating mga friends from the press and media. Thank you po sa pagbigay ng oras sa akin.
Grabe, napaka-humble mo pa rin talaga, Sof. Pero tama yan, huwag kang magbabago. Tamang-tama yung mindset na yan. Okay, now, nabanggit mo na nga na mayroon tayong friends from the media at meron silang questions para sa'yo. So, Sof, are you ready?
I think I am.
Yes, okay. So, unahin na natin ang ating first question. Siya po ang magtatanong. Okay, so, let's go to... Ako pala ang magtatanong. Ito ay mula sa Star Music. Yes. What musical direction or changes should fans expect from you?
Musical direction. I really started naman my music abroad using the Philippine music, the OPM factor and the OPM side of my music. So I think there would be an exciting news lang, pero pag pinag-usapan yung change, wala. I really wanted to continue with the music track and the music roadmap that I have started. So hopefully magiging global din siya using dun sa with the help of the people that really works in music here and abroad. So I'm just blessed na I have the best of both worlds, Asia and America, or Philippines and America. Parang imposible na hindi tayo mapapansin.
At ito na nga, binuksan mo talaga lalo wide open yung mga pinto towards global success for the Filipinos na nangangarap din tulad mo. Okay, now ito naman, siya na ang magtatanong. We have our friend from Rappler, Philip Martin Matel. Hi!
Hi!
Hello! Sofronio, congratulations. Welcome home dito sa ABS-CBN. Tanong ko lang, since naipamalas mo na yung talento mo sa world stage, naipakita mo ang galing ng Pilipino, sino ba yung parang pangarap mo na makaduet ba sa, kumbaga, maglabas ka ng new music o kaya ng cover in the future?
Are we talking about the Philippines?
Either local or international.
I would start internationally since I am recognized in America. The dream duet would be Michael Bublé in a record, of course, and I think there would be a chance also to record with an international Filipino, Nicole, maybe Miss Lea Salonga, or Olivia Rodrigo, kung ano man yung mga, or her, yung mga Filipinos na kilala na sila abroad, Apple Diap, ayun, marami pang mga international dreams, and I think that is really a possibility now that I am working with people that's really good in music. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. When you mentioned Nicole Scherzinger, no?
Yes.
Oo, ang dami nga nating mga, mga
Dami
Pinoy
nating
na...
Filipino na nakilala na doon. Dream pa lang naman yun. Of course, don't forget Bruno Mars. Oh my God,
Oh my
Bruno Mars.
Uy, pwede bagay! Pakiulang kayo ng hat eh. Di ba may hat? Oo. Yes, wait lang, sundutin ko na rin yun. Oo. Hindi nyo pa ba napapag-usapan ni Coach Michael? Yung possible collaboration, like baka napagkwentuhan niya na I would love to do this song with you, gano'n.
Actually, may mga napag-usapan na, and dahil nga, di ba, kaka-recent lang nung LA fire, so yung mga trabaho kasi doon medyo naging delay, and nasa Vancouver din siya, and then he's been making some other things than music itself and the voice. So, remote lang yung communication namin, and even last night, supposedly, mag-usap kami. He called me, kaso hindi ko siya nasagot kasi nakalimutan niya yata na nasa Pilipinas ako. He called me at 3 a.m. So, sabi ko, morning ko na siya nasagot. Sabi niya, sige, bukas na lang tayo mag-usap. So, ganun pa rin yung communication namin. It's very, very active. So, yeah, excited ako.
3 a.m. tumatawag sa'yo si Michael Bublé. Nakakilig naman yun.
Sobra.
isa ko pang sundot din sa question ni Philip. How about local? Meron ka bang gustong maka-collaborate?
OPM icons for sure. Pinaka-dream ko talaga to work is Regine Velasquez, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab, our national artist, Sir Louie Ocampo, and Ogie Alcacid, Martin Rivera, lahat po ng Gary Valenciano, lahat ng icons na sobrang naging pillars na sila ng OPM music. If I would be given the chance, I would be very, very excited to work with them. Especially, I had a chance to perform nung recently nag-concert yung OAC, Sir Ogie Alcacid, Louie Ocampo, and Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. I had a glimpse of how it is so awesome to be performing on stage, or just people watching na grabe dati napapanood ko lang to sila, or dati ko na silang recognize as their icon names, and now I am singing and performing with them. So it would be my honor talaga.
And you also mentioned si Miss Regine. I saw one of your interviews na medyo may influence or merong role pala si Miss Regine dun sa iyong journey sa The Voice.
Alam naman natin, Miss Regine has been the kumbaga most sought after artist and singer in the Philippines. Siya yung pinaka-standard sa pagkakaalam ko, and I could also be wrong, but for my generation, she has went through a lot of kumbaga recognition na talagang deserve niya yung pangalan niya, Regine Velasquez. So, nung nasa The Voice ako, I really used that factor na kung si Miss Regine ay na-transcend niya lahat yung energy niya with music, not just in the Philippines, not in Asia, but internationally and globally, it might as well work for me. So, I tried, and it really worked.
Chinanel mo.
Oo, chinanel ko yung pagka-Regine, no? Yun pala yung magiging factor pala, yung hindi lang pala babae at hindi pala limited yung sa panahon ngayon, hindi na limited sa pagiging babae kung gusto mong maging Regine Velasquez, kasi nagbigyan ko nga ng chance na to explore how Miss Regine is performing, or how is she on stage.
In-apply mo yung style niya sa boses mo, gano'n.
Yeah.
Oo. Yeah. And congratulations talaga, dahil
Thank
nag-work
you.
na naman
Nag-work
talaga.
talaga.
Oo. Pero of course, you have your own style, and we're so proud of you sa
Minanage ko na lang minanage ko na lang yung how to showcase it through the Sofronio way. Yeah.
Feeling ko parang kinailangan mo lang din ng confidence. Kung si Ate
Ayan,
Rich nga
Ate Rich nga,
kinala. Yes. Pero sa ngayon, let's go to our next friend from the media. It's such an honor. Kasama po natin siya ngayon from ABS-CBN News TV Patrol, Mr. MJ Felipe!
Yay! Congrats, Sof! Curious na kanina kasi sinabi na surprise na merong life story special na gagawin sa'yo. May mga details na ba to? Like, who would you wish to play Sofronio's role? O ikaw mismo yung gaganap nun? Aate ka na rin ba?
Alam mo, pag tinatanong talaga ako, actually nagkaroon na kasi talaga kami ng meeting, meron ng briefing, meron ng storytelling, meron ng interview, and tinatanong ako kung excited ba ako to act on. Kaso, na-challenge po ako, sabi ko mukhang gusto ko na lang kumanta, pero kung balak talaga nilang ipasok ako, Batang Quiapo na lang kahit yung mafia yung role ko. Huwag lang yung iyak kasi hindi ko kaya yata, pero hindi ko alam. I mean, everything now is a possibility, so I'm just blessed.
Pero do you have a wish list? Sino gusto mong gumanap na Sofronio?
I am so hooked up with the new teleserye now. It's been so famous, Incognito. Yeah, so sana mabigyan ako ng pagkakataon. Elijah Canlas would be a great one.
Yes.
He's really good in acting. Yeah.
Saka kumakanta rin siya.
See? Sana.
Good choice.
Pero mukhang medyo mas payat siya sa akin. Kailangan niya Yeah.
Alright, thanks, Sof.
Thank you, Mr. MJ
Thank you.
Felipe. Pero nakaka-excite nga yan, yung life story special na yan. Gusto na namin yung panood. Okay, now let's go to our next friend from One Music PH, Sir Chris Ramos.
Hi, Sir Chris.
Hi, sir. Congratulations sa new deal with Star Magic. So, questions. How much are you looking forward dun sa balance of trying to balance yung pag-promote dito sa locally and abroad? At the same time, do you also do certain adjustments when performing here and abroad?
That's a good question. With the balance po, it's a little challenging kasi yung family ko dito, which is Star Magic officially, will handle the things that's around here geographically, and I also have my family there in America, which is the people who work with me during The Voice. So with the balance po of pursuing music and even the career itself, magiging magiging dalawang bahay. Meron akong family doon, meron akong family dito. And then when we talk about the adjustment of performing, it's really also a challenge for me because when I perform, usually in the Philippines, usually our songs are very heartfelt and very emotional. While in abroad naman, I also wanted to touch with music or artistically the western side. Kumbaga, meron chance na magkaroon ako ng country song, EDM song, which is pwede na natin gawin. Iba-iba lang yung title, but it's not hard, but it's a little challenging. And feeling ko naman with the help of the people that's been helping me, I think magiging possible siya talaga.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Chris. And now we have a question from Hannah Malorca of Inquirer.net. Ikaw na. Okay, go ahead.
So, Sofronio, touching sa life mo sa US and in the Philippines, paano mo gagawing bridge yung sarili mo to bridge the two cultures together through your music and then through your life there?
Wow. Oh, that's a good question. When we talk about bridge kasi, I think we are talking about how to cross. So now I am given the opportunity and I am humbly recognized in the US as the Voice season 26 winner. I think na-cross ko na yung bridge, or I think nagkaroon na ng bridge. Now, I think ang kailangan kong gawin is how to sustain it or how to broaden the bridge. Kasi kumbaga yung kuntulay lang siya, pwede mo kaagad siyang madaanan eh. But now ang challenge is how ipapalapad mo yung tulay para hindi lang ako yung mag-a-adjust, hindi lang din sila mag-a-adjust. Kumbaga mas marami kami mabibigyan ng pagkakataon, especially our local singers here, our artists are very very global. And now na kumbaga malay mo makatulong ako, Coach Michael, meron kaming singer sa Philippines na ganito kagaling, baka gusto niyo pakinggan, or the people from The Voice, baka meron tayo kasi yung fact lang ngayon is you cannot join The Voice without the legal papers in in US. So malay mo, because we are recognized and we really proved that we can support Filipino joining The Voice, malay mo magkaroon sila ng yung bagong factor na, sige tanggalin na natin yung legal papers about that. Sila na yung mag-sponsor. That's already a big win for us. So, again, it's all a possibility, and yung culture itself, hindi siya challenging kasi nakita nyo naman how Filipino Michael is, how Filipino Coach Michael is. So, ang bilis na lang nating ipakita kasi they appreciated how humble, how heartwarming, and how kind are the Filipinos. So, I think it's a go for us.
Thank you, Sofronio.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Hannah. Okay, now let's have Mr. Carlos Aragon from Mega Kapamilya.
Hello, Sofronio.
Hi,
Congratulations. Grabe ka talaga. Tanong ko lang kasi nabanggit mo naman yung mga project mo. Tapos nabanggit mo rin na magkakaroon ka ng yung parang pang MMK. Kung pipili ka ng title about sa buhay mo, anong title yon?
Maganda yan. Alam mo,
maganda yan.
MMK, di ba may one-word titles? Di ba?
Tadhana. I think Tadhana would be a great one. Yeah.
Bakit Tadhana?
Kasi di ba, sometimes we look forward each day kung ano yung ibibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. And it's always a vague idea kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. And sometimes when you cross, I'm 30, so kumbaga dumadaan ako sa midlife crisis na is music for me? Should I step away with the music and pursue my dental career? Now kasi parang mapapatunayan ko siya at pwede ko siyang i-share na if you are really destined to be on that roadmap, or I think talagang ibibigay sa'yo on the right time, you just have to figure it out and you just have to recognize and make time to pursue it. So I think Tadhana and kumbaga destiny.
Yes, thank you. Ang dami mo nang na-achieve after winning ng The Voice USA. Ano pa ba yung mga nasa bucket list mo, or ano pa yung pangarap mo after this?
Oh, wow. Well, isa sa mga nagbukas na pangarap sa akin is to be in a musical. Yeah, kasi 'di ba para maganda din siya, and I am so excited to share to everyone na I am offered sa Miss Saigon, UK. But I have to figure it out kasi mukhang medyo masikip na talaga yung dates. But I am offered a role. I think it's an Asian Vietnamese role. I think it's Thuy. So, yeah, Thuy. So, may nagka-cast sa akin na nagbigay na sila ng date. So, technically, parang kakanta na lang ako doon and I have to stay in London for 4 weeks. Pero, sana magawa ng paraan. If ever naman hindi, I am just blessed na kumbaga may chance pala. And I would not close doors for musical plays.
Ito, last question ka lang. Kung may kanta kang i-represent sa buhay mo, ano yun? Pasample din naman.
Wow. Alam ko maraming beses nyo nang narinig to sa akin, but I think the song itself, the song for me right now that represents my life is the song that I did in The Voice, which is Unstoppable. Kasi as a Filipino, I really thought that Filipinos are limited, but when I stepped on that stage and I was recognized and be announced as the winner, I think I am just unstoppable. So, yeah. Nagsasample pa ba ako?
Siyempre, nasa Showtime Studio tayo. Sample!
Okay, game.
Sample!
I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible, and I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable.
Thank you so much.
Kung nabitin kayo doon, don't worry dahil meron pang performance si Sof mamaya. So abangan niyo po yun. Huwag po kayong aalis sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa live stream.
Yeah.
Abangan niyo po yan. Thank you very much
Thank you.
for your questions, Carlos Aragon. Na-excite naman ako sa Miss Saigon, grabe yung, na-mention mo lang siya, uy, by the way.
Oh, actually, yes.
Oo. First time mo ba i-announce yun ngayon?
Yeah, first time ko lang din siyang i-share sa lahat.
Wow!
Yeah, and it's not a joke, ha? Pwede kong screenshot yan.
Oo, i-post mo nga after.
Baka sabihin nyo, fake naman yan eh. Hindi, it's really, really true and I'm super blessed. Kaso lang with a line of shows that I have and it's going to be hectic talaga. Kumbaga, challenging talaga yung I've already asked one artist na nagkapag-try doon, Mr. Mark Bautista, na-try na ako. Humingi ako ng advice. Ayun, bigay naman ng advice.
Uy, sana matuloy yan. Ngayon palang excited na ang lahat. Okay, now let's go to our next question from Trisha Matias of Metro Style. So, ako ang magbabasa ng kanyang question. Ay, naku, from celebratory. Ito naman, medyo may emotional tayo dito. What is the most painful comment that you have received? And how did you use that to motivate yourself?
The most painful, wow. Siguro yung habang, pag-usapan ko na lang yung habang I was doing the blind auditions. Kasi I think it's painful for, not just for me, but painful for the Filipinos in history na we are always given the chance to be on stage. Kaso, mukhang hindi naman ipapanalo yan, ganun. So, yung mga tao sumasakay sa idea, kasi they always have been heartbroken na hindi naman ibibigay yan. Kumbaga, gagamitin lang na bait yung Filipino na magaling, ganyan-ganyan. At the finals itself, ilalaglag din. And I am really, it was really painful reading it kasi nakakalungkot siya na talagang yung Filipinos nag-submerge na dun sa idea na, talagang ilalaglag na tayo. And it was very painful na mabasahan ka na hindi mananalo yan kasi Pinoy. Kumbaga ganun. Meron silang racial notion na nakaakibat dun sa pagkapanalo. And yeah, it was really painful, but I really think that I handled it very well because kung may mga taong nagiging negative in a way, talagang sila talagang may mga lumalaban din.
May defenders
so hindi na ako nag-iisa. Ganun.
Yun pala. Kita niyo. So, lahat ng mga nagde-defend kay Sofronio, napakalaking bagay pala yun para sa kanya. Na-appreciate ko talaga ni Sofia. Okay. Now, let's go to the next question. Also from Trisha Matias. You have a concert tour. What is your pre-show routine like? And how do you unwind in between?
Well, gusto ko lang din gamitin yung pagkakataon na inviting everyone. The first event that I am going to do when I fly back to LA this March 4 is the Manila International Film Fest. So it's gonna be very big and I'm excited to share that I will open the show and I will close the show. And I will sing with, Deborah Cox, Grammy nominee, and I will also perform a song with Troy Laureta and Morissette Amon. So I am so excited, and I also have San Leandro March 15, and then March 29 Sacramento, California. I have New York Town Hall July, and also Dubai May 24. So basta sundan nyo na lang ako. Thank you. Going back to the question, my pre-show routine is just do vocalization. Tinanong ko nga one time kanina yung makeup artist na nag-handle sa akin was the makeup artist of the #1 star in the Philippines right now, which is TJ Monterde. Nagtanong ako kung ano yung excited lang din ako and I'm always curious kung ano yung mga pre-show, nila. Sabi na nag-vocalize din daw, ganyan. I really truly appreciate na lahat ng tao kasi ako, I am a testament na dapat nagvo-vocalize yung singer and dapat nag-hydrate whether it's a cold water or lukewarm water, basta hydrate lang talaga.
So mga ilang tubig yung
tubig ay nako. Basta makakailang ihi muna ako bago ako mag-perform.
Ganun karami?
Yes,
hindi yung basihan, no? Hindi ilang glasses.
Before I sing, I usually do my toothbrush kasi nako-conscious talaga ako pag after interview na mukhang nangangamoy nangangamoy ka ba ka na.
So, importante po yun sa singers.
Oo, importante kasi maraming, kumbaga kumakanta ka pag lumapit ka, di ba na?
Yun yung mga trade secrets.
Yes, mga trade secret.
So, hydrate. Oh.
Yeah, and more of it, motivational videos. And it's really weird na yung motivational videos ko are the vlogs from the Filipinos who are vloggers in the Philippines. Whether it's a comedian or what. Kumbaga, I just felt home every time na nakikita ko na nagkukulitan yung mga Pinoy. Yung iba kasi nakikinig sila ng meditation. Ako yung meditation ko is to just smile because we Filipinos are known to be just light. Kumbaga, light every time.
May mga certain comedians ka na talagang
Pinapanood ko?
Oo.
O
kung sino lang yung sa feed?
Yung mga videos na nakikita natin, videos ni, ng, ano ba ang tawag nito, videos nila, Meme Vice, yung mga random videos, yung mga vloggers dito sa Philippines na na-enjoy ko talaga. Toro Family. I am a fan talaga. Yeah.
I'm sure kikiligin sila pag napanood nila.
For sure,
diba?
yeah.
The Voice, USA champion.
Talaga, pinapanood ko. Lahat din yung mga inspiration nandun. Yung Tony Talks, yung Miss Karen Davila. Lahat ng mga videos na nilulook forward ng mga Filipinos ay ginagawa ko siyang maging pre-show motivation.
At ngayon ay nandun ka na rin sa channel nila.
Oo nga, no? Grabe.
Congrats. Okay, now let's go to the next question. And ito na pala yung last natin na batch of questions coming from... Ay, hindi pala. Ako lang pala yun. Ako lang nagsabi. Okay. From Bernie Franco of pep.ph.
Hi, Sofronio.
Hello po.
Congratulations.
Hello, Sir Bern.
Talagang, looking at you sa stage na yan, parang coming full circle, no?
Grabe.
Yeah. Yung question ko, since you signed up with Star Magic, parang we get the idea na you're focusing on your local career, no? Establishing your local career. Pero when you won The Voice, yung parang next logical question is, will he pursue an international career? So, why focus on establishing a local career rather than an international career?
Oh, wow. I think it's really timely to answer that question kasi for sure after makikita nila to, some of the people are going to question this decision that I made. I don't agree with the idea of focusing kasi when I started The Voice, I really wanted to just do my life in America. But when I won The Voice, and before I won, I had a conversation with Michael Bublé that he really wanted also to just make highlight of the fact that I am an Asian, I am a Filipino, and if given the chance that I will win, I think we would use that aspect of leverage to just pursue music. Kasi even him, he was a Canadian, and he was an American signed artist for a few years. And not until he went to Asia and specifically in the Philippines, kung hindi siya pumunta sa Philippines and Asia, hindi siya nabigyan ng recognition as the Michael Bublé na kilala natin ngayon. So ang gusto niyang ipatunayan sa akin is bakit bibitawan mo yung Asia and Philippines and geographically location mo as your leverage to just sustain and kumbaga, make it more global kasi this is my home. Lahat ng mga nananalo, it's still a challenge for them after they win. Kasi after they win as the Voice winner, I could also be wrong with this idea. Mahihirapan silang mag-transcend because the music industry in America is very, very concentrated. Now that I have this platform, whether I can make it very big in America, I can make use of my Asian community who would help me na this Sofronio can make it even nga kung balikan nyo few years ago Sabrina Carpenter who is the very big right now made ASAP Stage her stage. Balikan nyo, makakahanap nyo na Sabrina Carpenter too, but few years after he was the Sabrina Carpenter which just awarded na Grammy. So ngayon na nandito ako sa Philippines, bakit hindi ko gagamitin at bakit hindi ko lilimit yun? At people was just like, sayang yung effort na hindi naman sasayangin because I will do my music here, I will do my craft here. Hindi lang nila nakikita na I am just working here marami din pong nag-aantay sa akin doon. Hindi ko lang pwedeng pagsasabay-sabayin kasi nag-iisa lang ako. I need people to work with me and I need people with my home here in the Philippines and with my home in America. So, they just have to support me and sana ipag-pray nyo na hindi magiging limited yung artistry ko kasi kumbaga kung mananalo tayo dito sa journey na pinapangarap ko just to win a Grammy or recognized as like the big singers, this is a win for everyone, di ba?
So,
thank you.
You're just establishing your foot.
Dahan-dahan lang po. Kasi, ika nga nila, pag masyado kang matulin, di ba? Talagang mataas yung lipad mo, hindi mahuhulog ka din. Dahan-dahan lang. Kumaga, let the news unfold itself na, meron pala siya, meron pala siya. But I am just grateful sa lahat na magko-comment kasi that also is a testament of them being excited and being fearful na baka hindi tumuloy, sayang din. I would take that as a compliment naman din.
Yeah.
Concern nila sa'yo.
Concern lang din sila. Yeah.
Tapos you of all people knows the value of taking it slow, no?
Of course. Walang tigil lang.
Tapos, yun nga, now that you are a known personality, syempre, hindi maiwasin yung magbabato ng controversies. I'm sure may mga nababasa ka na. So, how are you ready for those, issues?
Oo naman. Alam nyo naman sa social media talaga, sobrang laki ng bashing or laki ng factor sa isang artist or sa isang public figure yung controversy. Whether it's a positive and negative, I think I would treat that as a compliment again. Kasi whether it's a bad publicity, it's still publicity. So, you just have to make sure na kilala mo yung sarili mo kasi pag nababasa, minsan natatawa na lang talaga ako. Gusto kong patulan in a sense na mangungulit lang ba. Kaso, nung one time, meron akong video na ginawa. Yung mga nanay natin na sobrang supportive na nagmamahal sa akin. So, Fronyo, hindi ikaw yan. Sige na nga, ayoko na nga sagutin mo. Ayaw nyo talaga akong maging bad boy. Kaya, kaya ano lang ako, kumbaga, kapag sabihin ko, kunwari, oo, hindi sila maniniwala. Sabihin ko, hindi rin siya maniniwala. We all have our own truth. Kaya ako, I'll just believe in myself na that's me. I mean, that's a Fronyo that they wanted to pursue and okay lang.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Bernie from PEP. Uy, nabanggit mo si Sabrina Carpenter. Totoo po yun, nag-collaborate pa
Diba?
sa Shanty Dope.
Oo.
Diba? May collaboration sila
Meron silang
dati.
collaboration and she's just wonderful. Ngayon, sobrang sikat ni Sabrina Carpenter. Malay mo, ano? Diba?
O, pero bago siya sumikat, chinaga niya muna tong Asia.
Sinagayin muna,
diba?
tsagain muna natin. Ay, hindi lang kasi natin, di ba, kaya nga ako siguro nanalo kasi yung support ng Asian community are magnanimous, di ba? So, hindi lang, naisip kasi nila, mahina tayo. Hindi ba nila alam yung Philippines is the number one kumbaga audience and support dun sa American. Talagang nakita nila kung gaano kalaki. So, blessed ako na, di ba, meron akong home base dito.
And we're glad na hindi mo iniwan nga ang Pilipinas.
Of course.
Yes. Okay, now let's go to our next question from Jasper Valdez of Manila Standard. At kayo na yung magbabasa. Okay, sure.
Congratulations
Thank you.
sa Fronyo sa mga narating mo and mararating mo pa. Ang tanong ko lang ay sa mga kapwa mo artist sa Pilipinas, sino yung nakikita mo na may chance din na marating yung narating mo sa US? Like, magiging successful din ba sila? Sino yung nakikita mo may potential?
Oh, wow. Sobrang dami. I think we are just going to talk about yung mga mainstream ngayon, ha? So, I heard Zach Tabudlo is making names here. He just signed the contract deal with the record label in America. Hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan. Beanies Global. Grabe talaga. Nakikita nyo naman, nakakapag-sold out na sila ng Philippine Arena, the biggest stadium, indoor stadium, di ba? We have TJ Monterde. We have SB19. So, sobrang dami talaga. And even our new winner sa Tawag ng Tanghalan, I'm just so excited. Sinasabi ko, may mga bias talaga ako. sobrang gagaling. Makikita mo lang sila. Ngayon, nagpi-pre-show event lang sila. Ngayon, nagpe-perform lang sila. But give it 2 years, 4 years, they are going to be global for sure.
Si Carmel, yon, yung
Carmel,
grand champion
diba?
ng TNT.
Nakita niyo kung gaano kagaling si Carmel?
Yes.
We have Laika, we have sobrang dami.
Okay, thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Jasper. Oh, just sumasayaw din siya. Sumayaw siya sa Philippine Arena.
Napanood
sa
ko nga
pre-show
yung video,
ng BE.
grabe, napakagaling. Kaya,
Grabe. Full of potential. Okay, now let's have Mr. Eugene Assis from People's Journal and gnews.ph.
Hello, sir.
Hi,
Musta po?
mabuti. Anyway, yung question ko sana, na itanong na kanina, yung tungkol sa if you're interested in an acting career, tapos kung ano yung gusto mong role kung sakali. So, iibahin ko na lang yung question. Okay? So, my question is very simple. Kumusta na ang love life mo ngayon? Maraming nagtatanong niyan.
Alam niyo, sir, yung love life na yung pag-uusapan, sobrang blessed ako kasi I am just happy now. So whether sabihin ko sa inyo na may jowa ako, hindi kayo maniniwala. Sabihin kong wala akong jowa, hindi kayo maniniwala. So I just wanna say I am happy right now at kung sino man ang nagpapasaya sa akin, I'm just happy.
Everybody's making you happy.
Pakalain na yan.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Nadali mo ako dun, sir. Sana sinagot ko na lang yung acting. Pero sagutin ko na lang, sir. Pwede ba? Kung gusto niyo akong maging acting talaga, sinabi ko na gusto ko talagang pumasok sa Batang Quiapo. Yung role ko, kakanta ko, pero akala nila kakanta lang ako. Sa likod, mafia pala ako. Yung mga role kong gano'n, marami akong gano'n.
Hoy, alam mo ba, di ba kakadagdag lang ng cast sa Batang Quiapo? Ganyan din nag-start yung iba dun yung medyo hinihiritan lang si Sir Coco Martin na, uy, pasok mo naman ako sa Batang Quiapo. Tapos nangyari nga. So sige, bibigyan kita ng pagkakataon ngayon kung nanonood si Mr. Coco Martin.
Direk Coco, alam niyo naman, sobra akong fan. Kapag po kailangan niyo ng pamalit kay Rigor, pwede po.
Okay, so abangan po natin yan sa mga nanonood. Pakisend po ito kay Mr. Coco.
Oo, kasi gusto ko talagang
Gusto mo talaga?
Incognito, gusto ko kasi action. Gusto ko action. Kahit na 1 week lang, tas mawawala ka agad ako kung mababarilin ako, okay lang sa akin. Basta lang makita ko, yan, nag-acting. Gusto ko kasi, pero wag lang yung mga rom-com, yung mga, hindi ko kaya yun. Kung nahiya talaga ako, papagalitan ako sa director, kakakap.
Uy, sige, abangan natin yan. Okay. Now, let's go to our next question from Philippine Star, Miss Natalie Tomada.
Hi, Sofronio.
Hey, Nat.
Hello.
Hello. Kumusta? Mayong hapon.
Mayong gabi na sa...
Gabi na din. Ay, sorry.
Well, 2 months after you won The Voice, kamusta ka na?
Oh my God. 2 months lang pala yun. Sobrang dami nang nangyari sa buhay ko. I mean, the fact that I won The Voice, nakauwi ako sa Pilipinas the first time I got recognized and I was in Malacanang. Nakapag-perform ako sa ASAP stage na sobrang dating pinapangarap ko lang. I went back to Showtime and had a prod. Now, I am officially signed with Star Magic. Kung kamusta na, sobrang saya ko, ganun. Pero I think I wanted to put that idea na talagang magta-try pa rin ako kung ano yung pwedeng ma-achieve. Dahan-dahan lang, but I am very open to a possibility. Kung sabihin na nila na, Sofronio, sumali ka dun sa anong tawag dun? PBB Celebrity. Direct! Nako, sinasabi ko siya, competitive ako talaga.
Kaya ko si Direk Lowen kanina.
Sana ibubulong ko kasi niyala. Hindi. Talagang, I look forward to the possibility and I'm just a fan of everyone. Lahat pinapanood ko, the competition. Kumbaga, excited pa rin ako talaga. And going back to the question, I am just overwhelmed and patuloy pa rin ako maging overwhelmed sa pagmamahal at recognition ng mga tao.
Ito ba yung sinasabi ng period na, syempre you've been through a lot, pero ibang level din to after, your big win? Ito na ba yung parang the real hard work begins?
Oo, talaga. It's where and it's how. Kasi mabilis, ay hindi siya mabilis pala. Hindi madali na mabigyan ng pagkakataon kasi itong recognition na naibibigay sa akin is sobrang nakakalaki to ng ulo. Kung hayaan mo lang, lalaki kagad yung ulo mo. And di mo maaalala na talagang you have to be grounded. And this is where you should put the hard work. You have to be conscious of what you're doing. Hindi ka na pwedeng maglakad sa daan na nakachinelas lang. Meron kasi silang navivision sa'yo na nai-inspire sila sa'yo. You just have to act on it. So, ayun, sa Bisaya ba, maningkamot ka na Bisaya kasi si Natalie. Maningkamot na magsipag pa rin na to achieve more, to be more, to do more, gano'n.
Last question na lang,
Sure.
Sir Ron. So, nakabisaya talaga.
Bisaya mo.
Season 27 is ongoing, right? Tapos may Filipino din na
Yes,
contestant.
Jessica.
Oh, and for the benefit of your international fans na rin, what advice can you give to the contestants of the ongoing season?
Oh my God. I think the best advice is to just enjoy. Dati kapag sinasabihan ako, you have to enjoy, minsan kasi hindi nakakalimutan ng tao or nakakalimutan ng isang contestant to enjoy kasi masyado silang focus dun sa idea na mananalo, ganyan-ganyan. I think they have to enjoy it kasi hindi nila makakalimutan at hindi na nila mauulit yon. Kumbaga, I for one took as many videos as I can na ngayon napabalikan ko siya without knowing that I will win. Kumbaga, papanoorin ko lang siya na I still have tears. Kumbaga, pinapanood ko siya. Mag-enjoy lang sila kasi hindi na talaga mauulit. And when you are given the song, just give it all out. Kaya kay Jessica, I'm excited for her and we are good friends. Nagkita pa kami actually dun sa kasi season 26 and season 27 meron yung virtual meeting, so nagkita pa kami.
Congrats upon you and we're so
Thank
proud
you.
of you.
Thank you.
Yay! So, would you say na yung experience mo sa The Voice, na-enjoy mo talaga?
Ay nako, sobrang na-enjoy ko. And it really, nag-effort talaga ako dun. I made efforts na, actually mas marami pa akong video kung hindi lang talaga nakurap yung isang hard drive ko. Sayang talaga, kaya sana sa calling out dun sa mga magiging magaling magbutingting ng mga hard drive, sana ma-open. I had so many videos na talagang nakaka-excite, ganun. So, sobrang nakakatuwa. I really enjoyed my time in The Voice.
I think yun dapat yung advice mo. Take lots of videos and make many copies. Para hindi mabura. Oo, ingatan niyo po lahat ng mga videos na iti-take ninyo.
And make friends. Yeah.
Ang saya na na-enjoy mo siya. Kasi yung iba parang nasusuka, kada aakit ng stage, kinakabahan. Ikaw na-enjoy mo talaga
Ganun
siya.
din naman ako, pero I fought hard na, kumbaga every time I was given the chance to be on stage, talagang ready ako.
Wow. Okay, now we have our last two questions.
Wow.
Coming from Christopher Purnell of Philstar.com. At ako ang magbabasa ng question niya. Okay, first question. What is one song that you would love to officially release as a cover?
As a cover, I think people have been clamoring about the song that I did during the playoffs in The Voice. It's called Crying from Roy Orbison. Marami talagang nangungulit and I have been keeping it. Hindi ko siya kinakanta dun sa mga shows ko kasi gusto ko na mag-ingay pa siya na mag-ingay and I think Crying would be a great cover song.
So abangan na lang nila dun sa official release.
Malapit na.
Okay. Hihirita ko sana ng sample kaso hinirita tayo ng gine-gatekeep ko talaga.
Para hindi nila marinig.
Alam ko lang it's a no. It's a no from Sofronio. Okay, ito na yung last question natin. Okay, also from Christopher Purnell of Philstar.com. Actually, ito, naka-print na to kanina pa. So, coincidence lang siguro to. Sabi niya, can you talk about Tadhana and how life has brought you back to ABS-CBN? So, yung sinasabi niya Tadhana, in general, yung destiny.
Yeah. It was a long and very bumpy but beautiful road and journey. towards the recognition. Grabe, from pumipila ako dun sa Alabang Town Center when I saw the anong tawag doon, yung tawag ng tanghalan, ano ba tawag? Pilot na auditions, talagang nakapila kami. I even trivia, no, nakasama ko si Gigi Delana, kasama ko siya sa pila. From there hanggang ngayon, sobra talaga akong excited na maging kapamilya, and I would never imagine my life na I would be recognized, and you people here, lahat po kayo, naghanda kayo ng time, nagbigay kayo yung time just to give me the recognition that I am praying for. And now, yung pangarap ko, it is really destined na ngayon siya mangyayari. The same stage that I was first recognized, the same people that I dream na makakatrabaho ko, Direk Loren, Ma'am Cory, Sir Riley, Star Magic. So, I think it's really destiny.
Tama yan. Palakpakan naman natin si Sofronio Vasquez at napakaganda ng iyong sagot tungkol sa tadhana, and hindi mo nalilimutan talaga ang iyong pinanggalingan, at bukod sa iyong talent, isa yun sa mga minamahal namin sa iyo, Sofronio. You have remained very, very humble and grounded, at dala-dala mo yung responsibilidad, inaccept mo talaga siya na ngayon you're fighting not just for yourself but also for the whole Philippines and Asia as well.
Thank you, Lord.
Yes. Pero sa ngayon ay gusto namin talaga magsabi sa iyo ng congratulations sa iyong milestone and new beginning with ABS-CBN. So we wish you all the best, and may your dreams continue to come true in the future. But ito na nga, more than that, we would like to thank you dahil patuloy mo kaming binibigyan ng inspirasyon habang tinutupad mo ang mga pangarap mo, Sofronio. So once again, maraming salamat mga kapamilya, madlang people, and friends from the press and media for being with us para sa contract signing and MediaCon ni Sofronio Vasquez. He is truly our winning voice, our kapamilya dream come true. Nandito tayong lahat para sa pagpapatuloy ng mga pangarap niya. So once again, give it up for the Filipino phenom, Sofronio Vasquez!
Sa lahat ng nangyayari, pangarap parang kailan lang sa panaginip ko'y nakita. Ngayon ay dumating nang bigla sa hibuhay, inaubusan ng pag-asa. Ako'y nanalis sa isang pangarap.
you so much.
Congratulations, Sofronio! We are so, so proud of you. Now please stay on stage and we will have a few photos with our friends from the media, our guests here sa Showtime Studio. Again, maraming salamat po mga kapamilya for joining us dito sa Sofronio Vasquez Kapamilya Dream Come True, the contract signing and MediaCon. Once again, I'm Ai de la Cruz. Keep on dreaming mga kapamilya! Picture po ang ating mga friends from the media.
Hello po. By batch na lang po tayo, all the guests. Let's do this. Vloggers, speed, editors. Official, dito tayo sa official. Let's do the first batch. First 5 po. Mabilis lang to. Nice screen, pasuyo na lang po. 2 more. Sir Chris.